Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. So you're having issues with Roblox and you want to give it a fresh start without losing all your games and progress. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do that on both Windows and Mac in 2026. Step 1. First, you'll want to completely close out of Roblox. Make sure it's not running in the background at all. Check your taskbar and close any Roblox windows you see open. If you're on Windows, open your Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Escape and search for any Roblox processes. If you see any, right-click and end the task. This ensures a clean restart. Step 2. Now you're going to clear your cache files. On Windows, navigate to your local app data folder by typing %local app data % into your address bar. Find the Roblox folder and open it. Look for a folder called Versions and delete the contents inside but keep the folder itself. This clears out old files that might be causing problems. Step 3. Next up is clearing your temporary files. Go back to your temp folder by typing %temp% in your address bar. Look for any Roblox-related files and folders and delete them. This removes any corrupted temporary data that could be slowing things down or causing crashes. Step 4. Now reinstall the Roblox launcher. Go to the official Roblox website and download the latest version of the launcher. Run the installer and let it completely finish. It will detect your existing Roblox installation and repair or update it without removing your games or progress. Step 5. Finally, restart your computer and launch Roblox fresh. This last step is crucial because it clears your system memory and ensures everything starts completely fresh. Open Roblox, log back into your account, and you should notice improved performance. Your games and progress are still there, but everything is running smoothly again.